Hey everybody, Burrow here. We're here the day after going gold mining, and I'm out here with the Buick again. I have picked up a new Dremel kit. I'll be getting that last bolt off the back seats and getting this interior out today. I will also be cleaning up the other tail light because the brand new one just came in, and I will be showing you that in just a moment. So there is a slight difference between the old and the new one. Old one, you'll see, but yeah. So today we're going to be a little busy. Gonna be some sparks flying here. Hopefully I'll be able to get some shots from that for you. So catch you in a moment. Alright, so here you can see the old right tail light. It is quite battered and worn and severely cracked. Tried to do a little bit of testing work on polishing it and getting it sanded down last week, but I decided to, since this crack is just so major and repairing it would be more work than it's worth, I decided to get another one. And yes, there is debris on the inside because the guys who I bought it from, they're based out in, I think, Maryland. I can't remember where they were from, but they made a decision to pack the box with shredded paper. And now it is everywhere getting it out of the box. Fantastic. But the one difference you can definitely tell between the old 76 Buick and the new 7980 Buick Skyhawk taillights is there's a new emblem of a Skyhawk, which I think is pretty neat. So today I'm going to get this thing polished up, looking nice and pretty, and I'm going to attempt to get all that paper out of there. What a bad decision. I don't even know how I got in there in the first place. That's special. That takes a bit of special work. So oh yeah. Let's get to work. Say hello to the kitty. there. Oh. Huh. Oh, I'm gonna find where that went. Well, I couldn't find the cutting disc, so that was the only one I had of it. So I'm just gonna go back to the tungsten drill bit. This bolt just refuses to come out. Let's keep going. How's your view there? Can you see what I'm doing there? I can't quite tell. Yep. Okay, I think we're ready to take this thing out. Come on, you stupid thing. Well, maybe it isn't ready yet. Keep on going. Victory! Finally! Oh, it was about time. Alright. On to the next part. back, folks. Alright, so it's getting later into the evening now. And I think it's just about time to wrap things up for the day. Got the rest of the interior out of the car. All the carpet's gone, all the insulation, that's all now gone. And I have it exposed down to bare metal. I can now see the repairs that were done by the previous owner. The new floor pans and... Here, I'll show you. Alright, so here we have what was a new floor pan here. It still had a bit of a moisture problem. It was just pretty much just spot welded to where they could find a good spot for it. And then there's all this concretey, foamy, hardened stuff here. Ooh, that's really thin. So it was some nice sheet metal at one point, but it has since gone past its best by date. We have on the driver's side as well. Pretty much the same story. It has spot welded piece of steel in, and then just slathered on all of that pink residue, concrete foam stuff or whatever it is. And it's just lazy. Just lazy. So I think what I have to do is with my new Dremel is polish this metal up to see if there's anything left for metal that can be used. Otherwise I'll be doing new floor pans myself. Some more change down there. And battery's getting low on the phone, so I've lost the camera flash. Alright. So I think that will do for today. We'll see you next time, folks. Take care.